Whether you're cleaning up high or at arm's length, Unger has the squeegee for you. With Unger's full line of squeegees and telescopic pole, you get the job done faster, safer, and more effectively. Uniquely designed and using professional-grade materials, our squeegees leave all your glass surfaces clean and streak-free. Our multi-purpose household squeegee cleans and dries your windows, mirrors, and glass with ease. The high-quality rubber blade leaves all glass surfaces squeaky clean and streak-free. The 10-inch Shower Squeegee is perfect for cleaning and drying your bathroom mirrors and shower doors, and it comes with a hang hook for easy storage. The one-of-a-kind glass and tile squeegee is a 2-in-1 tool that cleans 2 different surfaces. The squeegee cleans and dries glass, while the foam blade cleans uneven surfaces. Every tool has a cushioned grip that is comfortable to hold and won't slip in wet hands. Attaching any squeegee to our telescopic pole allows you to clean hard-to-reach surfaces safely by avoiding dangerous ladders and step stools. The Unger Connect and Clean system lets you tackle your toughest window and glass cleaning jobs while keeping your feet safely on the ground. Unger, quality tools for smart cleaning.